In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the text opacity in videos in CapCut. This is a simple but powerful way to make titles blend naturally with your footage, create elegant lower thirds, or design subtle watermarks that don't distract from the scene. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along whether you're editing a short clip or a full project. Start by opening CapCut. Give the interface a moment to load, and make sure you're in a new or existing project with a timeline ready to work with. If you're starting fresh, think about the aspect ratio and resolution you'll be using so your text looks crisp and consistent throughout your edit. Next, add your video. You can import your clip and drag it onto the timeline, or open an existing draft with footage already in place. Keep your main video on the primary track so everything you add sits neatly above it. If you're working with multiple clips, position the playhead where you want the text to appear before you continue. Now, click on Text and add your text. Type what you want the audience to see. This could be a title, a caption, or a callout. Resize it by dragging the corner handles and place it where it's most readable, usually away from busy parts of the frame. Keep an eye on the preview to make sure the lettering doesn't overlap with important details in your shot. Before adjusting opacity, set your style. Change the color to something that contrasts with your background. Add effects or animations if you want extra polish. A subtle shadow or outline can boost readability, and a gentle fade in or fade out helps the text feel more integrated with the video. Keep it tasteful. The goal is clarity without clutter. Now look for opacity in the right side panel and adjust it. Opacity controls how see-through your text is. At 100%, it's solid. Lower values make it more transparent. For a watermark or background label, try a lower opacity so the text sits behind the action. For headlines or essential information, keep it higher so it's easy to read. Move the slider slowly while watching the preview, and stop where the text is legible but not overpowering. If your footage is bright or busy, pair a slightly lower opacity with a contrasting color or a soft shadow to maintain clarity. That's it. With these adjustments, your text will look intentional, balanced, and professional in CapCut.